We were pleasantly surprised. I mean, obviously, there's a few people that knew about this, but very deserving, very thankful, very grateful for the Milken Foundation to recognize a stellar teacher and person and member of our community. Just everything he does in the classroom, from his instructional strategies that he uses to just the engagement that he has with students and the relationships that he forms with students. He's the complete package, and also he does a lot of leadership stuff in the district for us as far as different committees. Yeah, I mean, this is an awesome event, and as they've talked about today, it's important to try to encourage educators to, or students to enter the field, or people to change professions and move into education. And this recognition locally here is a great way to do that, recognizing and hopefully exciting students to think and to think about going into education. And this is just a recognition for the hard work that teachers put in and the motivation that it takes to become a teacher, and just to prepare our students for whatever they want to do with their career. But to me, it just is a way of recognizing, again, how important the educational field is.